So this is my first time trying this mask, and I just put it on, and I'm supposed to leave it on for 5 minutes. And so far already, this feels great. Smells good too. Like, it's like a beautiful, really, I don't even know, it just smells so good. My son thinks I'm face painted. So,
Mommy.
So he's like, what, Eli?
I want to do my face paint.
Huh?
I want to do my face paint.
Mommy don't have face paint, Dubai. Dubai, this not face paint.
What is that?
This.
Mom,
Can you say exfoliate? Huh?
Can I see it?
It's cleaning my face. See? It's cleaning my face. Smell it. Smell my face. Smell my face. You smell it? It smell like cleaning it? It smell like it's cleaning it? You smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah? It does smell good. Oh, it feels amazing. It really refreshes you. I'm over here making me a cup of coffee. It's one of them days. It's cold outside. Staying in, relaxing, chillaxing.
Mommy.
Eli.
What
My skin feels real fresh. I feel like it's, really doing its job. The glare from the light. Give me some coffee. What do y'all do when you exfoliate your face? You don't need much at all. Look at that. I can't get over it. It smells so good. Just glare out the way. I'm supposed to avoid the eye area. I did the best I could. Like I said, first time mask wear here. Feels good. Feels good so far. So whenever it's time to rinse off, we'll go in there, rinse it, and I'll tell y'all how I feel and if I like it or not. I gotta figure out which mask is for me, which one I like.
Mom, do your face like this way.
Do my face like that one? Babe, bring her in here. I wonder what she'll do when she see my face. What you think? I got a little on my lip, but I ain't trying to touch it because I don't want it to get in my mouth. So I'm not going to bother that. Oh, my face feels so great. Y'all got to get this stuff. I got 5 minutes. Let's see. How long has it been? I don't know, but I probably got about 3 more minutes to until rinse. You're supposed to wash your face, apply the mask, avoid the eye area, massage it into your skin for about 1 minute, and then leave it and let it sit for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Allow the mask to sit. Don't bother it, leave it alone. You just need to rub it in that for that 1 minute, and it's going to do its own thing after that. 5 minutes. And then you rinse it with warm water. Hot. I'm gonna use a straw though, so I don't get this stuff in my mouth. Hey, girl. Say hello. Hello.
Mama, baby.
Hey, girl. What you doing, girl? We'll see some effects. Ooh. You turn this way. Because of the light. Oh, yeah. You gotta stay still for a second. Can't get your face. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, y'all ever seen that movie, The Mask? That's what I look like. Cool daddy.
Hi, Bonnie.
Okay, I'm about to go wash this off. What?
Help with this?
You want another banana, kid?
Yeah.
You're gonna turn into a banana. Okay, I'm about to go rinse it off, y'all. Let's see. Watch out, Eva. Max, everybody back away. Let me see. We'll get a towel. Now we're going to wash the floor. It says to use warm water, so we're going to give us a second to. I might have to set you down and rinse this off for a minute, but I'm going to stay on just so we can see how, like, what it feels like. If y'all have any questions, like, ask me and I'll tell you. Okay, it says that when you rinse, to use warm water, so. My water gets very hot, so I gotta adjust it to the right setting. So we don't only sell makeup and stuff for face cleansing things and alright guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna rinse this off. it off again. Oh, feels good. Making sure I got all of it off of there. Oh. Increasing the nose, but feels great, y'all. You know, that was the exfoliating mask that I used. Oh, it feels good, y'all. I definitely feel refreshed. Feel a difference in my face, like it's soft and stuff. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna have to get this stuff, guys. Well, if nobody has any questions, I'm gonna jump off here because oh, it feels so good. It's like I'm shiny and look at this. My face don't feel so heavy anymore. It feels perfect. It's like soft like my baby's feet. Well, if no one has any questions.